a 3-jaw self-centering channel. We have, firstly, we have the, let's start from the head. Where it says okay, on page 3, turn to page 3. Where it says identify the major component parts of the center leg. Okay, our headstock is this one. This is the headstock. There it contains the gears inside. We have the spindle. This one here, it's holding this one. Goes all the way to the back here. The spindle, the levers here where you change the speed. Okay, these are the levers that you change the speed. We have also the control here, start, switch, off, lever. Okay. The machine is on. When you want to operate the machine, you put the switch on, that is the main switch. We also have another switch here, the headstock. So this is our headstock. It holds all these things. These parts, the gears, arrangement of gears are in here. Like you have gearbox for vehicles. Okay, there's arrangement of gears there. When you change to high speed, low speed, it goes on like that. So this is your headstock. It also has the motor at the back. It drives this one here. Just like the car, you start the engine, it turns, but does not turn this one until you engage the gear. Right. Until you engage the gear, the vehicle moves. Same here. When you engage the gears, this one will turn. Okay. So there's arrangement of gears at the back here. That's in the headstock. Okay, let's show you. Come this way. The gears here. This is another arrangement of gears. Right here we have a pulley from the main motor. The power comes through there, drives that motor, it turns that one, and so the drive comes through the belt and it turns this one. Okay. You see? So it's turning there. If you put it on neutral, it will not move. Have this one somewhere. Okay. Now it doesn't move. Just like you start in the car, it does not move until such time you engage the gear, then it will move. Okay. So this is the arrangement there. It comes in here, the drive comes in here, and this is your drive. When you turn this one, it turns also the gears inside. And you can see also here, it's turning. These are the gears that drive this one here, feed mechanism. When it drives that one, you will see that the two posts there will move towards the headstock, and it will cut your workpiece. So this is the arrangement of the gears. You will see there's differences there. Some have small ones here, and we have big ones. For this one we have less number of teeth. This one we have plenty. Okay, when this small one turns, it will turn this one. Let's say small one is driving the big one. this number of gears. That means this one will turn so many times, so many revolution before this one turns one complete turn. Alright? Just like you holding a kid, okay, his hands and you walk. You take one step, you might take 2 or 3 steps to catch up with you. Same thing. You have small teeth here, this one will run maybe 10 times or 15 times before this one. 15 complete turns to one complete turn of this big one. Okay. Ratio, maybe 20 to 1. Means this small guy there can turn 20 times while this big one will turn once. Understand? So, sorry, the drive, the gears inside there. You can remove this one, but so this arrangement of gears there, just like your gearbox. If you go around in the workshop, people removing gearbox, you go and look at the gears. There's so many gears. One sub here might have 2, 3 gears there. The other one like that. So they change them into, various speeds. So now this one will be driving. There are gears also in here. You engage these ones here, it will give you different speeds. That one is set on here will travel fast. You set it on another speed, it will travel very slow. Okay. All right. So that's our gear there. Okay. So this is our headstock. Now we'll go to the tailstock. This is at the tail of the lathe. So we call this one tailstock. It holds a wheel. Okay, tailstock wheel. The levers here. This lever is to lock the spindle. This is the spindle. Let's say we start from here. This is the lock. You can move the tailstock here. Move it back and forth to lock it with this one. Cannot move. Okay. This is the tailstock. This one is the spindle lock. Okay. You lock this one. Once this one is in place, you turn this one. Once it is in place, you lock it. It will not move. Okay. So that's it. This is the live center, tailstock, live center. This one. Okay, this is for holding long piece of work. You put a long piece of work and you support it with this one, so you can turn a very long piece here. Okay. So this is your tailstock. This is for oiling. You put some oil in here, so that this one will be easy to move, doesn't get rusted. Okay. You can, let's not talk about this one. You can offset this one so you can turn taper like this one here. Small this side, big that side like this one. Small diameter there and big diameter here. But let's not talk about that. That's, you don't always do that in the workplace. Once in a while. All right. So that's the tailstock. We go to the next one. The bed is from here. You see that thin surface there? All the way here. That side is the bed. This tailstock here slides on the bed. Okay, slides on top here. Okay. And also it holds this one. This is the carriage. And we have a cross slide, means it goes across there, across the face of the chuck. That's the cross slide. The top slide is this one, sitting on the cross slide. And you turn it in and out like that. Right? To turn the workpiece there. You can offset, undo this one, you can set it in an angle. So you cut it this way to cut taper, these tapers here. Just using this one. Okay, manually you turn this one, it will give you the taper. Okay. So that's the bed. Now it's sliding on the bed there. Okay. The next one. What's the next one? Carriage. This is the one. It carries all these things. Cross slide, top slide, tools, tool post. This is the tool post. You mount the tools. You can mount 4 tools, different types, for different operations. This tool here is for cutting off. You cut it right off. Okay. This one is just for normal turning. You can sharpen tool to cut the thread. Boring is different. Boring, you put a long piece of metal, and there's a tool coming out from there, so you can cut inside the hole. Okay, machine inside the hole. When you are handling this one, you have to be very careful because this is very, very sharp. Okay. By accident, you might cut your hands. So, careful when you are just moving tools or mounting tools. Your hand can slip, you cut yourself. Okay, then apron is this one. That's the one. Okay. It holds these levers here for feet. This one's for cutting thread. This one is for feed. Got this lever here. This one is for turning in and out cross slide. It goes across there because you will have your tool like that. You will cut across the face. This side is the face of the workpiece. And if you are machining it that way, that is longitudinal feed, they say. Okay, you hold it like that, you will machine it this way. If you cut across here, on the end of the workpiece, that is facing. Okay, you will cut across there. All right. Now, feed mechanism is this one. Okay. Feed mechanism, you have all these levers here. You will set it so this feed levers here, feed shaft here, you can turn fast or turn slowly to move the saddle. Okay. If you set it on low speed, it will go very, very slow. If you make it fast, it will go fast. Okay. That is why you must always be careful when you are working close to the chuck. This will be turning, and at the same time, this will be moving. This will be turning, keeps turning. If this one comes in, if you are not looking at it, you look away, look at your friend, you talk. This one will come in here, break all the tools. Doesn't go that way. The tools, broken pieces will not go that way. It will come towards you, yet you catch it. Okay. Sometimes metals are very heavy. So you must be careful. Don't talk to your one talk. Concentrate on your work. Okay. Yeah.
Is there any different types of aprons do we have?
Different types of
Aprons.
apron.
Yeah.
No, same. Almost same. Okay. The difference would be the settings here of these levers and all that. It could be different, but it is made in the same way. The operation is same. Okay. So to cut your threads like this one here, threads like this, V thread, square thread, acme thread, and all that, you set it using this one. The levers are there. Okay, all you do is you set all these levers according to this chart here. You set it, you can cut any type of thread using that one. We cannot go into that one. All we want to do is only basic. All right, basic. If you go out there and you have chance of working on a machine, you just play around with the machine and you get used to it. Okay. Now we can start the machine. Right, so okay. So that's the main switch. We have another switch here. Okay. We put it on. Now when it clicks there, it means it's already on. Make sure this one is closed all the time. Okay. Now we see. Look at the speed here. We have lever A and B. All right. Lever A and B there. You want to set it on a speed here or here, you select this lever and this lever. Okay. Let's say we set it on D. Okay, D here, there's lever. You set it here on D. Okay, it's there now. Okay, D is this one. Now you look at this side here is A. You set this lever to A. Okay, if it doesn't move, don't force it. You turn this one a little bit, it will go. Just like your clutch of the car. Making nothing but garage. You are damaging your gear teeth. Okay, so that's it. All right. Okay, now make sure this one is far away from the chuck. Okay, your tool pole is clear. Then you can start. Okay, quickly start. First, see whether, otherwise this is not set properly. You might damage your gear. Okay. That's it. Now, the feed lever is also turning. Feed lever, it will move this one when you engage the lever here. Okay. This top one is for cutting thread. Alright, this one. Because we have this thread here, it will move this one to cut. But this one is just for plain turning. So, it's like that. Now you will see this one is turning downwards. Huh? Okay, you can change it so it turns the other way. Meaning, you go this way. If you want to reverse it, you turn it so this one will go reverse. So it will come this way. This one will come back. So let's engage this one and see. Now it's going towards the chart. Okay. Now you go this one, stop it. Then you stop. After this one is the clutch. Anything happens, step on it, stops. That's automatically. Okay. Now, this is going down that way. We change it so it comes, turns around the other way. This way. It's turning the other way. It's coming back to the right. If you are turning towards the headstock, you turn that one so close to towards the truck. If you turn it the other way, it comes back. That is the feed shaft. We will not be cutting thread. All we want to do is use this one. Okay. So changing gear is okay. Highest speed we have is 1,500. So it's on A and C. Now move this one to C. This one A. It's there. Ready. That's the fastest speed we have. When you see that going fast, this is also going fast. Okay, this speeds up. The other we was for cutting thread, I will not show it to you, only this one. Okay. The lowest is 70. We'll set it on 70, E and B. B and E. That's the lowest. It's going slow, so this one too. Now, when you are operating the machine, make sure you check this oil level here. When you come here, just look at it and just get it. And it must be on the level, that level there. This is a little bit low. You see on that red one there, it should be there.
So how do we fill it?
Yeah. Fill it. We also have oil here inside here. You fill it here. You put some oil here. And this one. This is just to lubricate it so it's free. What else? Finish. There. That's all. Any questions? No. What we will be doing for our practical is to have round pieces like this. We put it in here and we machine. Let's get the key there.